friends. Today we will discuss how to write journal entries. So, first, entries of the companies. So, first we are receiving application money. Application receiving along with the application money. We are receiving bank. All transactions are conducting through the bank account. So, we are receiving money. We can write what is a bank account debit to what we are giving one nominal account. Which one is the, if it is equity share or preference share or any other type, means we have to write that one. Then share application account. Okay, application account. So we are receiving money and that's a share application. If I am receiving my shares, I am saying that is a my share, my company. Company only can issue the shares, not the individual person. So our company issuing the 100,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. One share value is 10 each. If I am collecting, this is yesterday we discussed, we can collect the two way. One first one is the lump sum method. Another one is the installment method. Okay, another one is the installment method. Installment method. Here lump sum means I am collecting, that is 100,000 shares, one installment only 10 rupees collected. Here I am collecting that amount. Here how much is the amount? 100. There also 10 rupees only here, but I am collecting that amount 2 rupees plus 3 rupees plus 3 rupees plus 2 rupees. Okay, total 10 rupees first, 2 rupees application, 3 rupees allotment, 3 rupees first call and 2 rupees second call, like that. So here I am collecting the lump sum amount. How to write the journal entries? So we are collecting bank account debit to share application and allotment. I have to write what is the application and allotment account. How many? 1000 into 10. Total. How much will come? 10,000. 10,000 rupees will come. So then this one transferred to the share capital. This is a nominal account. So cancel that nominal account and add amount transferred to the share capital account. Here we can write what is the being application money received for, application allotment money received for 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. So then this amount transferred to which account? Share capital account. So we are cancelling the application and allotment account and transferring this amount to which account? Share capital account. So I am going to write that is the share application and allotment account debit. How much is here? 10,000. So I am writing that 10,000 here and then transferring that is a which capital? Equity capital means equity share capital, preferential capital means that one you can write. So I am writing here only share capital. Share capital account. Okay, that full amount I am transferring. My transaction over. So I am writing that is the share allotted to the applicant. So and so applicants be allotted. The transaction over. Full amount I collected. So in the case of installment method, so many installment. First one what we should do? Application. Next one it is the allotment. Next one it is the first call. And next one it is the second call. Like this I am collecting. That's the name we are giving. How to write that journal entries? Okay, we'll check that one. First call, first amount, application money. How much was the application money? That is 2 rupees. Then I am collecting 3 rupees. Again I am collecting 3 rupees. Then I am collecting 2 rupees. I means always company only. Individual can't issue shares. So total is 10 rupees. So first one is we are collecting the application. Along with the application money we have to receive. So I am receiving that one. So I am writing here bank account debit to which application share. That means I have to write. So I am writing here share application account. How many shares here? My 1000 shares are there, and how much rupees? 2 rupees. Okay. So I am writing that amount, that 2000 rupees. Here also you can write the 2000 rupees. Okay, what's the amount being application money received for 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 2 each. Okay, then I am going to, that is a transfer this amount, this balance to the share capital. Not the lump sum amount, installment only we are transferring to the share capital. So next journal entry is I am going to cancel my nominal account share application account debit. How much rupees here? 2000. So I am writing here 2000 to which account? Share capital account. Share capital account. Here I am allotting the shares to them. So application money transferred to the share capital account. This one rupees 2000 rupees. Okay. Now they are the shareholders. Next time onwards, this one, what is being share allotted to the shareholders. The third transaction onwards, first allotment is we are transferring that amount to share application. Afterwards, we are demanding to the shareholder, please make the payment of money. That's second stage onwards. Okay, so here what we are doing, first we are writing that share capital transfer transaction. Can write here share allotment account debit. My allotment money how much? That is 1000 into I think 3. Okay, correct, 3 only. To which account? To share capital account. I am writing here share capital only. You have to write the name of the share capital. That means either equity share capital or 16% preference share capital, like that. So I am writing here that is 3000 rupees. Sorry, 3000 rupees. Okay, and then write the narration. Return is the share allotted to that allotment money due. And next one I am collecting that money, that is the bank account debit, and how much we received that amount, and to here what is the this share allotment I can't cancel. So I am writing here share allotment account. Okay, account how much is I am saying no arrear here, so I can write the 3000 here. Here also I can write 3000. Okay, like this only. Second call and first call and second call. First due, share first call account debited to share capital, and then bank account debited to share first call. Like that is share second call account debited to share capital, and next one bank account debited to share second call. This is a normal way we are collecting them. In that cases, what will happen, you know, yesterday we said some people may fail to make the payment of any call. So here I am saying that is the person who took, that is the 500 shares. 500 shares, he failed to make the payment of rupees to last call. Okay, to a second call money he failed to make the payment. So that is, we can call what is the calls in arrears. What is the due transaction? Write the journal entry first. Share second call. Share second call account debit to share capital. This is the which journal entry? Due journal entry. How many amount? How much is there? That's a total I am writing 1000. 1000 into 2. That amount is due. 2000 amount is due. We are writing here share second call money due for 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 2 each. Then next transaction we want to collect that amount from these shareholders. So at that time we received a bank, not the full, not full amount. We received only from the 500 shareholder, 500 shares only, not from full amount. That arrear is there. So this into 2, that 1000 I am writing, which one, bank, and balance amount I am writing what is the calls in arrears. Okay, calls in arrears, how many shares are there, and 500 shares into 2,000 rupees I am writing here. So otherwise you can cancel the share for second call. So I am writing their share second call. Say second call, first you can write that is a 2000 rupees is there, and then telling question says that is a 500 who took the 500 shares failed to make the payment of money. That we can write that is the calls in arrears 500 into 2, balance amount you can write the back. Okay. What's the next step? We are giving frequent call and a frequent notice to that person, please make the payment, but they are not making the payment. Next step, what is the next step? Next step, we have to forfeit their share. We can cancel their share. That means now the share capital, every journal entry, our share capital account having which balance? Credit balance. So we have to cancel. Cancel at that time, how much is the called up amount? Called up amount only we can credit. Uncalled amount don't credit that one. That means here we called second call, full amount we called. So I am going to cancel that 500 shares. So what's the journal entry? Share capital account. Share capital account. How many shares are there? 500 shares. Full amount called. So I can write that is 10 rupees. So here I can write that is how much is 5,000 rupees. So then 2 calls in arrear is there. Here his arrear amount is there. So we know that one. We are writing that is a calls in arrears. Okay, how much amount was there? That is, I think that is how much amount was the calls in arrears? 1,000 rupees. So here, check here. Here calls in arrears is which balance? Debit balance. We are cancelling that calls in arrears and credit here. Okay. So I am writing here 1,000 rupees calls in arrears. His paid amount how much? That is balance amount, or other ways we can say that 500 into 8 rupees. 8 rupees he gave. So that 4,000 rupees. So which account that one? Forfeited shares account. Forfeited shares account of 4,000. 2 ways you can calculate. Here you are, I know the arrear, you are writing that arrear, then you can minus this one, you will get this amount. Other ways, so you know that was he failed to only make the payment of 2 rupees. So he paid 8 rupees. So other ways is 500 into 8. So we will get that. But then for 500 shares being 500 shares forfeited due to the non-payment of second call money, rupees 2 rupees. Okay, that like good. Then I am reissuing these shares. Okay, I am reissuing these shares for 8 rupees. I am saying that is I will give that is a 2 rupees because forfeited shares only na. So I am giving 2 rupees discount. 2 rupees, rupees 2 as discount. So my share I am issuing for my share value is 10 only. That's I am giving 2 rupees discount. I am collecting 8 rupees only for that 500 shares. Okay. So and again I am issuing. I am collecting money. So I am collecting money means I am writing bank account debit to what is the general entry? Share capital. Very good. Share capital. Bank account debit to share capital. And here how much is the share value? That means it is a 500 into 10. Am I correct? But we are receiving how much only here receiving? We are receiving 500 into 8 only. What should write here? We can't write the discount. We have to write the forfeited shares account. We are taking from that account. Forfeited shares account. How much is there? 500 into 2. Okay, how much is coming? 1,000 rupees is coming here. Okay, And then we are going to write that our amount. Then we are writing that is 500 shares are reissued at the rate of ₹8 or after giving 2 rupees as a discount. So then our forfeited share account, how much balance is there? Check here. Forfeited account balance is how much is there? That is 4,000 rupees is there in forfeited share account balance. How much we took? We took only 1,000. Balance amount is there now. So we reissued the full share. So that amount we can transfer to capital reserve. How to write journal entry? Check forfeited share account. Here how much balance is? Credit balance. Here debited 1,000 rupees. So balance now. Debit balance there, credit balance is having the 3,000 rupees. So we are debiting that one. Forfeited shares account. Forfeited shares account debit to which account? Capital reserve. Capital reserve account. Amount that balance 3,000 rupees. Okay, that balance 3,000 rupees we are transferring to the capital reserve. What's the journal entry? That is the forfeited shares account balance is transferring to the capital reserve account. This much only. But we missed one journal entry here. That is a discount. Okay. Discount is not there. Premium. Here I am saying that is the my shares. My share means my company's shares. 10 rupees. But by the demanded company shares, so we are giving that is the 2 rupees. 2 shares having the high demanded, high very good company. That's why we are giving that one. How much is the 2 rupees premium? 2 rupees premium. Hope we are collecting here. How much is there? 10 plus 2 we are collecting. Okay. So how much will come here? 12,000 rupees will come. Okay. And then this share allotment also will come 12,000 rupees. Okay, but the share value how much only? 10,000 only. How about to do balance amount? Here you can write the another one account, securities premium account. Okay, that is 2,000. Now debit is equal to credit. This is a lump sum case. If it is in the installment case, which installment, along with which installment we are doing at that time, we can write it. Here I am saying that is I collected 1 rupees here and here it is collected 1 rupees. So in the second, first call journal entry we didn't write here. So first call you have to adjust share premium account, and here second call we written here. So what is the share? Second call account dated to share capital. Here you can write what is here you can write the securities premium. How many rupees? 1,000 shares into 1 rupees. Like that you can write that full amount here. Then another one it is there. This securities premium is collected or not. We have been collected, that one means no need to cancel that account. That's going to the separate account. At the time of forfeited shares, no need to cancel that account. If we are not collected that amount means while forfeiting that shares, we have to cancel that securities premium account too. Here in the second case, this is the second installment, that means the second call case. So we didn't collect that amount. So here what to do? Share capital account is 10 rupees is here, and right here which one is the share securities premium account. Not the share securities, or securities premium account. This securities premium account, how much is 500 into 1. At that time this plus 1 also, 1,100 rupees again with 500 rupees will increase, because premium also arrear only, he didn't make the payment of premium. So like that we have to adjust that. Hope all understood that the journal entry well, and next video I will explain how to solve one problem solving fully. Didn't subscribe this channel, subscribe that one and press the bell icon, then only you will get the notifications for all videos. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.